In order to return an APC SMT750i Smart UPS back to its factory defaults, you can see that we have the UPS connected to the mains power supply and the LED display is showing us the unit's current status. If we now press one of the navigation keys, we are shown the main menu. From within the main menu, we need to locate Configuration. After pressing the Enter key, we then need to scroll through the next menu to locate the option Reset to Factory Defaults. We now need to set this option to Yes and then press the Enter key. The 750i will now reset itself back to factory defaults. We will know that the unit has returned to factory defaults when we're once again presented with the setup wizard.